Alright, let's cut to the chase. You're staring at your M1 Finance app. Maybe you've got some stocks. Maybe you're building your portfolio, and you're thinking, can I actually get in on this crypto thing here? You've heard the buzz, the Bitcoin boom, the Ethereum whispers, maybe even some Dogecoin memes bouncing around. But is M1 your ticket to the digital gold rush? Let's be real, the world of crypto feels like it's changing every 5 minutes. One day it's to the moon, the next it's a crypto winter. It's confusing, it's volatile, and frankly, it can be intimidating. You're looking for a simple answer: what can I buy, and how? And more importantly, is it even worth it to buy crypto on M1? Before we dive into the specific coins, let's get some context. M1 Finance, as you know, is built on the concept of pies, right? You create these custom portfolios, allocate percentages, and let M1 do the automated investing. It's designed for long-term growth, for building wealth over time. So, how does something as volatile and speculative as cryptocurrency fit into that picture? Well, that's the key question. M1 isn't a dedicated crypto exchange like Coinbase or Binance. It's not built for day trading or chasing those quick, high-risk gains. M1 is about strategic allocation, about incorporating crypto as a part of a diversified portfolio. So, here's the fundamental answer: M1 doesn't offer direct access to every cryptocurrency out there. You won't find every altcoin or obscure token. What M1 does offer is access to a select group of crypto ETFs and trusts. These are investment vehicles that track the price of cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but are traded on traditional stock exchanges. Think of it like this: instead of buying actual Bitcoin and storing it in a digital wallet, you're buying a piece of a fund that holds Bitcoin. This simplifies things, especially for those who are new to crypto or prefer the familiar structure of traditional investments. Okay, so what are these ETFs and trusts you can actually buy? Let's break it down. First, the big one, Bitcoin. You'll likely find the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. This is one of the most popular ways to gain exposure to Bitcoin through a traditional brokerage account. GBTC holds Bitcoin, and its share price generally tracks the price of Bitcoin. However, it's important to understand that GBTC is a trust, not an ETF, and it can trade at a premium or discount to the underlying Bitcoin price. Next up, Ethereum. You'll find similar products like the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, ETHE. Just like GBTC, ETHE provides exposure to Ethereum without the complexities of direct ownership. Beyond those, you might find ETFs that track a basket of cryptocurrency-related companies. These aren't direct crypto investments, but they give you exposure to the industry as a whole. Think of companies involved in blockchain technology, crypto mining, or crypto exchanges. These ETFs offer a broader approach to the crypto space rather than focusing on specific coins. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why not just buy crypto directly on a dedicated exchange? Well, there are a few reasons. First, simplicity. M1's Pi-based system makes it easy to incorporate crypto into your existing portfolio. You can set your allocation, and M1 will automatically rebalance as needed. This takes the guesswork out of managing your crypto investments. Second, security. Holding your own crypto requires managing private keys and dealing with the risks of hacks or lost wallets. By investing through M1, you are relying on the security of a regulated brokerage. Third, tax implications. Buying and selling crypto directly can be a tax nightmare. M1 provides consolidated tax reporting, making it easier to manage your investments. However, there are also some downsides. First, limited selection. You won't find the wide variety of cryptocurrencies available on dedicated exchanges. If you're looking for exposure to specific altcoins or emerging projects, M1 might not be the right platform. Second, fees. While M1's core platform is fee-free, the ETFs and trusts you buy will have their own expense ratios. These fees can eat into your returns over time. Third, potential premiums or discounts. As mentioned, trusts like GBTC and ETHE can trade at a premium or discount to their net asset value. This means you might be paying more or less than the actual value of the underlying cryptocurrency. So, how do you decide if buying crypto on M1 is right for you? Consider your investment goals. Are you looking for long-term growth or short-term gains? M1 is best suited for long-term investors who want to incorporate crypto into a diversified portfolio. Consider your risk tolerance. Crypto is highly volatile, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. If you're risk-averse, you might want to limit your crypto allocation or avoid it altogether. Consider your knowledge and experience. If you're new to crypto, M1's simplified approach can be a good starting point. However, if you're an experienced crypto investor, you might prefer the flexibility of a dedicated exchange. Now, a quick rundown on how to actually buy these crypto ETFs and trusts on M1. First, log into your M1 Finance account. Second, create or edit your PI. Third, search for the crypto ETFs or trusts you want to add. For example, search for GBTC or ETHE. Fourth, allocate a percentage of your PI to these investments. Remember to consider your overall portfolio allocation and risk tolerance. Fifth, confirm your changes and let M1 do its thing. It's that simple. Remember, it's crucial to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency or crypto-related product. Understand the risks, understand the fees, and understand the potential rewards. And let's be clear, this isn't financial advice. This is an overview, it's educational. You need to do your own due diligence and consider your own specific financial situation before making any investment decisions. The reality is, crypto is here to stay, but it's still a relatively new and evolving asset class. It's not for everyone, and it's not a guaranteed path to riches. But, for those who are willing to take on the risks and do their research, it can be a valuable addition to a diversified portfolio. M1 Finance offers a simplified way to incorporate crypto into your long-term investment strategy. It's not the most comprehensive platform for crypto, but it's a good option for those who want to manage their investments in one place. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to buy crypto on M1 is a personal one. Consider your goals, your risk tolerance, and your knowledge of the crypto market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.